fix our fence because the horses have destroyed it, and our donkey keeps getting over in the neighbor's pasture. As you see, this isn't our horse. That is our donkey though. Stupid donkey. So we gotta get him back across and then get the fence fixed because it's looking horrible. And there he goes. Stupid donkey.
Come on, Jack, Jack. Come on, Jack, Jack.
Wrapped up repairing the old fence. We're gonna head back. Oh, sick, bro. Ghost riding the whip. And she came to a stop. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Y'all comment down below if you like this video. It's pretty random, I know. I didn't show a whole lot or whatever because for one, I had to get it done, and two, I'm on my iPhone, so can't really just prop it up everywhere, but it's pretty cool. Y'all let me know. A lot of y'all been saying to film more stuff, just like casual stuff, not really in-depth like, oh, look at my wheels. So I figured I would. They're gonna be this other one. Man, as soon as I hit the highways, the stuff's gonna be on the hood, the bed, it's gonna be everywhere. This is our first time taking the 2018 off-road, but I didn't mind going out there because it's not real muddy or anything. So obviously don't want to get this truck covered in mud and all the creases and cracks and everything quite yet, but it was fun to take it out in the field for sure. So y'all let me know what you think. I'll see y'all on the next one. I don't know how good y'all be able to hear it, but you're about to hear the sound of regret. Slowing down. You'll have to be able to hear how horrible the mud is slinging off. Please fall off. Oh my gosh, it's on the hood. It's everywhere. It's gonna be caked everywhere. No. Oh, you can see it flying. Sad day. And yes, I know some of y'all are gonna get super triggered that I don't want mud all over my truck, but this is a brand new truck. Yes, I know there's an audio issue. I'm talking loud now. My iPhone apparently picks up some stuff good, some stuff bad, depending on which way it's facing or how I'm holding it. I'm aware. I am sorry. I know some of y'all are very upset over it. I've got multiple comments. I'm going to try to get it figured out. I don't know how an external mic on an iPhone works. I've not checked into that. However, that is what I film most things on for multiple reasons. One, big cameras are very expensive, and big cameras are very fragile, and big cameras are big cameras, so they're not something you just tote around. So yeah, haven't quite got to that milestone in my YouTube career to tote around a $1,000 monster camera. And you have to be monster. I mean, they make some smaller ones, but